Seedance 2.5 is live, and right now, you can get unlimited Seedance 2 in 4K completely free to try. If you make AI videos, you need to see this. Right on your screens, you can see a preview of the amazing generations you'll get using the Seedance 2.5 model. This is just great. No weird morphing at all. The quality of everything is just astonishing. As you can see closely, everything looks so realistic, you couldn't even tell this was AI. Honestly, Seedance 2.5 is just crazy. We can take a look at the second clip we have here, and I personally love this one. It looks like a scene straight out of Hollywood. Right from the video, you can already see it tells a story of a guy fighting with a snake, and the quality you get with this is just great. No weird morphing again, no distortion. We also have amazing conversations that you can generate with AI. You can see multiple characters speaking, and the voice sounds so realistic. This looks like something straight out of a movie.
She was real to me.
Subject remembers the loop.
My name is not Subject!
His grief twists every life you lived.
You break it, you erase every life you lived.
I already lost them. Don't go inside,
and every part of it is just great. What's best about this is you can see side by side that Seedance 2.5 is a very big upgrade from what we got with Seedance 2. You can see the better and longer video quality you get with it, no longer limited by short video generations. Like you can see over here, we have these two videos playing, and they're both pretty good. But after some time, Seedance 2 gets exhausted, while the Seedance 2.5 generation is still ongoing, which is just great for longer AI generations. You now get as much as 30 seconds of AI video, and that will go a long way for those of you who are into filmmaking with AI. This plays a great role, and honestly, Seedance is blowing my mind with this. Not only do you get longer video length, you also get better and more realistic 4K generations, and the audio quality is outstanding. With the time-lapse here, you can see Seedance 2 gets exhausted while the Seedance 2.5 video keeps going, and this is something you should pay attention to. It's a huge difference when you're actually trying to create something longer and more cinematic. Seedance 2 was limited, but now with Seedance 2.5, we now have upgraded audio, better visuals, as well as longer video generations, and this is honestly amazing. Seedance 2.5 is live. Get 14 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield, 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2 and 4K, then switch to any other Seedance for 7 more days. Your 2 access starts right away, and Seedance 2.5 opens up in 7 days. The link to this platform will be in the description below. Make sure to check it out.